In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Messenger chat heads on your Android device. Messenger chat heads are those little bubbles that pop up when you receive a message, allowing you to quickly respond without leaving the app you're currently using, or without having to open the full Messenger app. To get started, open up the Messenger app, and then tap on these three lines at the top left. Tap on the gear icon. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see the chat heads option. Just tap on it. After that, tap on the Go to Settings button. And then toggle on the switch next to the Messenger app. Now go back to the Messenger app. As you can see, now, chat heads are enabled on the Messenger app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.